Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are trying on the leopard and snow versions of the mock neck cotton tank. Now, as I was creating this video, I realized writing snow and leopard together that these names were probably chosen, or the name of the white rather, was probably chosen for a snow leopard. So I really love that. And it kind of got me thinking, I wish that they even made literally a snow leopard print. I think that would have been really sharp. Now, first up, we have this leopard print mock neck, and at first glance, I am so sold. I think this is probably one of my favorite pieces because it has all of the detailing. You know, they really didn't skimp here. I really like the stitching color, that it's that lighter tan color, and the contrast that it adds. Now, these mock neck tanks are going to have a little bit of a scoop in the front on the bottom hem, and I think that's to kind of accommodate for a woman's chest. So I think they really thought of everything with this tank. In the back, you'll see it is just straight across. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the white as well. Now I really liked this white. My box did come a little damaged, but excuse that. I picked up both of these items in a size XS, and they're the same as the black that I tried on, also in an XS. I think this could be a good size for me, but I also think I would be a little bit more comfortable in an S. So keep that in mind. This is definitely on the tighter fit. Now, seeing the white for the first time, it is so stark and it is so sharp. So I personally really loved the way that the white looked. Now you do have that Dolce Gabbana and SKIMS interchangeable logo along the neckline as well as the armholes. And then you do have that block tag right in the back. The material is really stretchy and it's really luxurious. Like, it feels kind of almost soft, even though it is just quote unquote cotton. Now let's take a look at both of them side by side. I think, you know, having both of these together, if I pulled out the black one as well, it would just look really sharp all together. So I almost want to get all my friends together and have kind of like a SKIMS D&G party and, you know, just have all of the crew together. Now let's go ahead and try these on. Now, first up, we are going to try on the leopard, and I just really loved how this one looked and felt. I felt like with the size, you couldn't really tell whether this was the right size, if it was a little too snug, or if it could be a little bigger. And this is what I'm kind of talking about, right? Like, you could go with an XS, you could go with an S. I could even fit in a medium because I did try that on in the long sleeve in this leopard print. Now, overall, I think I personally would go with like an S or a medium, but it's up to you and your preference. Now, unfortunately, we're not going to try on the white because please note it is a little see-through. As always, this is a judgment-free zone, so if you do want to comment below with your experience on the white, please do. That is all for this unboxing. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.